So hey guys, I don't know if you can see me. I don't know, but look at this. Look at that. It's like it's gonna rain. Look at that. It's raining. It's raining. Look at that. Did you see that? It's clouds, like freaking rain clouds that are growing, that are here. I can feel the rain. Look, did you see that? That's pretty cool, I think. Sorry, I didn't make it intro. Look at that. Look at that. Yeah, look at that. It's so cool. It's still raining though. Look right there. Oh my gosh, look at that, guys. I think it's gonna storm or something. It's so pretty scary. Here, I'll show you. Don't get too close to the mud.
I won't, honey.
Right here.
Roll the window back up.
Yeah. I'm in the mud, Mimi. Here.
Ooh, was that thunder?
Yeah, that was thunder.
Let's get out of here.
I just heard thunder, guys. I need to go. Guys, there is thunder. Look, right here is.
Come on.
That's a thunderhead. It's sprinkling right now, but I think this.
Well, you know where there's thunder, there's lightning, so we better get in.
Yeah, we better. I'm sorry, guys, for this short video. Okay, let me show you guys. Here, now I can see if I can see. You can see it. Well, I think I better go before it starts storming like really bad. Bye, guys.